All right, Star 1800-2024, Algebra 1 with logs by Professor Phil Galvez Jr. 150 questions. Video number 22, big college algebra final review, 040424. Graph f of x equals 5 to the power of x minus 2. Wait, you need money right now for college, books, tuition, software? Guess what? Walmart is hiring right now. Great bus, great food, great work. Open 24 hours. But let's say you don't need money. You don't need this money. You got plenty of money. Okay? Let's go from there. All right. Graph this. All right. Before I do this, I need to set my windows on my machine. Graphing calculator. Negative 10, 10, negative 12, 12, and 1 in one of the scales. Make sure you set it up just like this with a min and max. Also, when you put this in your calculator, you need to put it in this method right here. This way. It has to be done that way. In fact, let me show you right now. Let's just say Windows. All right. So Windows, my Windows matches those right there. See it? X min, X max, scale, Y min, Y max, scale. Now, go to Y equals, and then let's put it in there. But we're going to put it this method right here. You're going to go 5 to the power of X, big minus sign, 2, close it. Y'all see that right there? 5 to the power of X minus 2, close it. Then you can just hit graph, and it'll draw it for you. Wait a bit. Oh, there it is. So it kind of starts really slow, and then it goes up, it goes, it's gone. Okay. If you want to get some points, you can go second table. It'll give you a bunch of points. See, like at -1, it's 0.008. At 0, it's 0.04. At 1, it's 0.2, and then it goes these other numbers right here, pairs. Okay. Or again, there's a graph, and you can use this numbers or that. I use the fraction ones. All right. So now. So at 0, it's 1 over 25. Okay. At 1, it's 1/5. At 2 is up 1, and at 3 is up 5. So I'm going to use those numbers and graph it. It's going to start here real low, and it's going to go up, and then it takes off like that. And the domain is all real numbers. Any number you want to use is fine. Range, it goes above 0. Not including 0, but it goes up. Horizontal asymptote right here. Y equals 0. Okay. What's an example of this? Large population, thousands on your head. How about that? That's kind of scary, huh? Anyways, go next question. All right. Let's graph f of x equals 3 times 1/5 to the x. Again, set the windows just like the other one. And when you put it in, you got to put it like this. 3 parentheses 1/5 to the power of parentheses x. It has to be this way so it to work. Okay. So now, once you do that, you're going to get some points. Once you get those points in your graphing calculator, then you put them in there and start putting them down. Negative 115, at 0 is 3, 1.6, 2.12, and so on, gets smaller like that. Okay? So again, this is the way you put it in your graphing calculator. Domain, infinity, range from 0 to infinity. In the horizontal, y equals 0. Okay? What's an example of this? I don't know. Square inches are rash your dog in Texas. Okay, you give him some medicine, the rash is starting to disappear. Hopefully, eventually, it will be gone. Okay, next question. Another graph. Same thing. You need to put the domain, put the windows first, exactly like this, just like the other one. Put it in like this. Y1 equals 3 plus 5, parentheses. This has to be parentheses. So 3 plus 5 to the power of parentheses x over 2. Just like this. Put it in the machine and run it. You're going to get some points. And once you get the points, you can start putting them in there. So at -3, you get this point. And -2, you get this point. At 0, you get this. So it goes from here, and it goes up. Notice that there is a horizontal. But this time, it said what? 3. 3 is a horizontal asymptote of this. And the domain, any number you want to use, the range goes from -3, more than -3, this way. Okay? This will be an example of this would be the flea population, your dog in thousands, maybe 4,000, 8,000, so on. All right. This one, graph 7e to the negative x. Okay. So again, set up the function like this. Same numbers again. All right. This time you're doing 7e to the power of negative x. And I'm going to show you how to set that up. Okay. Maybe you don't know, but you're going to find out right now. So let's put it in there. So we're going to put 7, okay, put 7. Second ln gives you the e function, see right there? To the parentheses Little negative sign, this one here, negative x, close it, right there. All right, so now 7e to the power of negative x. And once you get it like that, hit enter, and hit graph. It's going to draw it for you. There it is. It goes from here down, 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 down. Okay, and kind of looks like ours. So points. At 0 is 7, and 1 is this point, at 2 is this point, 3 is this point, 4. So it starts here, it gets lower, 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 lower. Okay, so example, I don't know, square inches on a ration your dog have to give him some meds. So it's going lower, 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 lower. Okay, again, domain infinity, range from 0 up more than 0, horizontal asymptote, y equals 0. All right, let's go to the next one. Graph, same setup. You need to set it up. Second ln, and make sure you put second ln e to the power parentheses x big minus sign 3. It's just like this. Put it in the machine, run it. It's going to give you a graph that looks like this. Okay, you're going to get some points, and it goes this direction, up, up, up. Okay, so at 2 you get this point, 3 is this one, 4 is that one, 5 is that one, keep going. Okay, example is population, I don't know, in your turkey mayo sandwich, cheese sandwich was in millions. These are millions. 1 million, 2.7 million, 7 million, it grows exponentially, okay? Hours go by, there's more. All right. Oh, another one. All right, that's fine. Again, set it up, not this way, but this way. This is what I want you to do. Y1 equals, once you set up the windows, e to the power of parentheses x minus 4. Run it. You're going to get some points. Get those points in graph them. And you see that 3 is this number, 4 is that number, 5 there, 6 that, more, but that's enough. And the domain is negative infinity. And the range goes what? More than 0. Goes up this way. Horizontal asymptote? Yes, at y equals 0. Okay. Population millions of bacteria in each spot of your fish mayo sandwich. Could be that. Ah, not a graph, but this one says if 8 to the power of x equals 8 to the power of 3, formula. If a to the x equals a to the y, guess what? Then x is y. So if a to the x equals a to the 3, the bases are the same, so they're gone. So what's left over? X must be what? 3. Solve this. Now we're going to solve this. Well, I'm going to have to rewrite this because the bases aren't matching. So 256, I'm going to go over here and use prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. 2 divides 256, that number. 2 divides that one. 2 divides that one. 2, keep going, keep going, keep going. Finally, that's it. So 256 is all these 2's right here, which is 256 is 2 to the 8 power. So 2, 8 times, it gives you 256. Now I can go back and rewrite 256 as 2 to the 8 power. So now, look, 2 to the 8 power, 2 to the negative 2x. Hey, there's a formula we use for that, remember? A to the x equals a to the y, then x is y. Okay, so bases are gone. What's left over is negative 2x equals 8. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. And x is what? Negative 4. Okay. Also the 4, I broke it up too. See right there? 2 times 2 divides that, 2 divides that. So this one, it was 2 to the 2 power is 4. And then this was 2 to the negative 2x. The 2's matched right there. Now they match. I can do that part. That's right there. Okay. All right. Oh, another one. 5 halves to the x power is 125 over 8. Okay, let's prime numbers again. There they are. So 5 divides 125, this number. 5 divides that one. 5 divides that one. So 125 is 5 times 5 times 5, or 5 to the 3 power. Yay. How about 8? 2 divides 8. 2 divides 4. 2 divides 2. So 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 to the 3 power. So we have 125, 5 to the 3, and 8 is 2 to the 3 power. So now, so this number is right here. 125 is 5 to the 3, and 8 is 2 to the 3, or you can write another way. You can say this is 5 halves to the 3, because 5 to the 3 and 2 to the 3 is the same thing. Okay, now right here, see it? So now once you do that, hey, the bases are matching. X must equal 3. Okay. All right. Solve this. Okay. Prime numbers again. There they are. I'm gonna break it down. 3 and 9, they're matched. Well, 3 divides it. Okay. 3 divides that. 3 divides that. So 9 is 3 times 3, or 9 is 3 squared. Now we have 3 to the 4x plus 1 equals 3 to the second. Hey, they're matching. Bases match. Gone. So we have 4x plus 1 equals 2. Subtract 1, subtract 1. So 4x equals 1. Divide by 4, divide by 4. So x has to be what? 1/4. Yes. All right, next one. What? That's it. Those are the questions for now. Okay, quickly, I'm gonna go to this. Once you finish reviewing this, take your surfboard out to Mustang Island, Padre Island, Galveston somewhere, or got lots of money, go to Hawaii, have fun with the giant 40-foot waves in North Shore where you're surfboard, with Hawaiian stuff on. Or Math Monsters, nah, they don't scare us. Math is fun because we know how to do some college algebra. And whoa, these guys are pretty scary. 7 of them. How about this? Oh my gosh, 7 more scary. How about this? Numbers? No, they don't scare us. They're 7. What could be scary? Oh my gosh, a giant crunchy one. That's pretty scary. How about crunchy 2 and crunchy 3? Yep, that would be scary, all right. But anyway, this is Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck. Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck, good luck, good luck, and your college algebra.